Hello friends, welcome back to the Method Trading. So friends, today we need to see this important level. As we have seen this, the USA market, a Fed rate cut. Again, they have increased the rate. So they all are trying is to bring money from the market so inflation can be down. And they said that this behavior will be continued by 2023 also. So this is the not a this is not a good news for this trader and investor. But one thing, if you'll see, market is not respecting the Fed rate increase and their policy. Because if you see the Indian market behavior last 2 3 times when this news came from this America that they have increased the rate, market was slightly down. Indian market were slightly down, but it is recovered. Why it is so? Because if you see, friends, Indian economic data, Indian economic data is completely strong. GST increment each and every month, and that is approximately 1.5 lakh crore monthly collection. That is a big collections at the monthly, right? If we'll see, infrastructures is increasing sharply, unemployment is slightly also unemployment decreasing. And another side, if you'll see, friends, the most important point that is concerned by many developed countries, many small countries are struggling to maintain and not able to hold that level. That is inflation rate, and inflation rate is somehow managed in India, especially after this rainy season, because inflation and the additional thought of the RBI governor, they bring the approx 40 point down on the CRR, and that help Indian economy to bring down inflation. And also this rainy seasons, because you have lots of productions of seasonal fruits that's help, to reduce the core inflation. So these data all about showing that the market is not much will not respect much USA decision, right? And the third things which is very important, friends, if you see in India, the demat account increment, right? It's almost 100, sorry, it's almost 10 crore, 100 million, right? So it shows that the people are coming to market, they are getting aware about market, they are learning market. So when the institutional small hands work, the policy impact will be lesser. Why it is so? Because most of the people are unaware about this policy and their fundamentals, their impact. Sorry. So this will not impact as it has impacted. Even it is impacted only 2.7, 1.7%. I will see the USA market indexes. Earlier it was approximately 44%, 5%. US market is also absorbing this data, right? So we are performing, Indian market is performing, Indian economy is performing much better than the most of the world economy. So I don't feel that this data will impact the Indian market, right, in the longer term. But yes, in the shorter term, because the market is a subject of sensitivity, right? So it's maybe impacted, and the psychology of the many people, the big hands, may be deviated. So that's why we can see some volatility in the market. But I don't find that it will impact strongly Indian market, right? If you see, look at the Nifty chart, friend, here. We have seen that after it was down, right? sell off came in the market, and again the buying started, and this area become a very strong area for the market because the buying generated from here only. Buyers are very strong in this area. Market open gap up and went up. It's almost V shape, right? V shape. So it shows that this hit this resistance level, that is 17,900 approx. So yesterday we have seen this market open at this level and went slightly up, then step by step it's coming down. Right? If you see this trend, if you see this, that it shows that the market have a negative sound on this ground, right? Market have negative sound. But what is important is that this zone is going to be the important for the traders, right? Re- Mark this zone because the buying started only from here. You will see this. So that is 17,650, 600 almost here. So will market respect the C? If market is opening at this level is going to for the sell because the seller will have this much and they have the approx 130 140 points, so they will come to the market, right? But what if the market is opening at this level, that is 17,600 640, right? So those who have sold here at this top of the level, they are in the good profit, so they will exit from this point, right? So if they will exist, the buyer will be buyer will enter here because the premium prices of CE will reduce at this point and the market can be reversed, right? So if market is opening gap down at this point, so I think that this zone must be broken for this another sell off that will work as a 17,500 approx for 17,400, and we have another approx 100 to 150 point here in the Nifty, right? So this is the going to be important. What we were not going to open gap up today, so this is not for discussion. What we need to discuss and see this trend line. If this trend line broken, if this trend line broken, we'll go for the buying. But again, we are not going here. This is subject of approx 12 o'clock. So this level is going to be the important, where we are respecting this support level or breaking this support level. If you respecting this, market is respecting this, we are going to buy this C of this 17,600 17,700, and will target at least this level 17,050. So 150 point will have this in hand if the market behave according to this. Thank you so much. Keep supporting, subscribing and sharing this theory thought. Thank you so much.